HCF is nothing but the common divisors which divides all the number. LCM is the number which is divisible by the given numbers. Suppose if A by B, C by D, E by F or the proper fraction, then the LCM is given by LCM of the numerators by HCF of denominator. How to find the HCF of given number? Using prime factorization method as well as long division method called Euclid's algorithm. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In this session, we are going to study about the least common multiple, that is the LCM of the given numbers, and the relation between the LCM and HCF. First, let us see what is least common multiple. The least number which is exactly divisible by each one of the given numbers is called their LCM. HCF is nothing but the common divisors which divides all the number. LCM is the number which is divisible by the given numbers. That is, what is the smallest number? For instance, if I take 2 and 8, what is the smallest number which is divisible by both 2 and 8? It is actually 8. So that is the LCM of the given number. And to calculate the LCM, so we have the very first method using prime factorization method. In the last session, we have learned how to find the HCF of given number using prime factorization method as well as long division method called Euclid's algorithm. So here, let us find the LCM by prime factorization method. Find the LCM of 36, 40, 48. First, let us express 36, 40 and 48 in the form of canonical representation. Now, 2 1s are 2, 8s are 16, 2 9s are 3 3s are. So, clearly 36 is 2 square into 3 square. Next, 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are. So, 40 can be represented as 2 cube into 5 power 1. Next, 48, 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. So, here 48 is 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. So, you need to take all the common factors with the highest powers and multiply them. That will give you the LCM of the given numbers. So, LCM is nothing but the product of the factor with highest powers. So, now when you consider here, the LCM is equal to, among the factors, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is the highest. So, let us take 2 power 4 into, let's check the factors. Here we have 3 power 1, here we have 3 square. So, obviously we need to take 3 square, which is with the highest power. The next factor is 5. It is repeated with 1s. So, it is 5 power 1. So, 2 power 4 is 16 into 9 into 5. So, therefore, the value is 720. That means 720 is the least positive number which is divisible by 36, 40 as well as 48. Next, find the LCM of 12, 14, 16. So, 12 can be represented as 2 square into 3 because 4 3s are. 14 can be represented as 2 into 7 and 16 can be represented as 2 power 4. Now, LCM of these number is the product of the factors with highest powers. So, here we have 2 power 4. Next, 3 power 1 and then 7 power 1. So, 16 into 3 into 7. So, the value is 336. So, 336 is the least number which is divisible by all the 3 numbers. Next, we are going to calculate the LCM by division method. We are already familiar with this method. Let us recall this once again. Find the LCM of 48, 96, 72. So, we write all the factors or the numbers in the form of a division method. We go on dividing with the prime numbers. Now, since all of them are even, let's start dividing by 2. So, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. Again, we are having even numbers. 2 12s are, 2 24s are, next 2 1s are, 2 8s are. Again, we are having even numbers. 2 6s are, 2 12s are, 2 9s are. Next, let's go on dividing with 2 itself. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 9s are. Next, since all these are the multiples of 3, let's divide by 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are. Next again we have 2 1s are, 1s are, 3s are. Next 3 1 1 1 until we get all the values as 1 at the last. So this product will give you the value of the LCM. That is LCM is equal to, let's check how many times 2 is repeated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5 into 3 square. 3 square. So the value is 288. So this process of finding the LCM is called as division method. Next, find the LCM of 25, 75, 150. So 25, 75, 150. So let us divide by the prime number 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are, 5 zeros are. Next, 5 1s are, 13s are, 5 6 are 30. So clearly we can write the LCM is equal to, so again 3 1s are, 13 2s are. So now all of them are in primes. So we have 5 2 times, 3 1 times, 13 1 times, 2 1 times. So let's multiply this. The least value is 1950. Now to find the LCM of fraction. As we studied the LCM of HCF in the same procedure, suppose if A by B, C by D, E by F are the proper fraction, then the LCM is given by LCM of the numerators by HCF of denominator. If suppose we consider only these three numbers, then the LCM of A by B, C by D, E by F is given by LCM of A, C, E and HCF of B, D, F. Whereas to find the HCF, it is vice versa. Let's take an example. Find the LCM of 1 by 3, 5 by 6 and 2 by 9. So LCM is equal to LCM of 1, 5, 2 and HCF of 3, 6, 9. So if we consider 1, 5, 2, all of them are primes. So the product of primes will give you the LCM. So it is 10. And when we say 3, 6, 9, the common divisors which divides all these three numbers is 3. So therefore it is 3. So the value of this LCM is 10 by 3. Next, find the LCM of 6 by 7, 5 by 14 and 8 by 21. So we need to find out LCM, so which is LCM of 6, 5, 8 divided by HCF of 7, 14, 21. Now clearly 6, 5, 8, if you take the LCM, division method will take 2 3s are, 2 5s are, 2 4s are. So again it is 2, 3, 5 as it is 2. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So this will give you the LCM. So the value is equal to 120. Now the common factor which divides all the three numbers 7, 14, 21 is 7. So it is 7. So therefore the LCM of the given fractions is 120 divided by 7. Three scales are 65 centimeter, 85 centimeters and 95 centimeters in length. What is the length of the cloth that can be measured exact number of times using any one of these three scales? So that means we have three different scales which should be measure the same cloth with the exact number of times. That means we need to find out the LCM of these three numbers. So now let us find the LCM of 65, 85, 95. When divided by 5, so this is 13 and this is 17 and 19. So clearly 13, 17, 19 all are prime numbers. So therefore the value of the LCM is 5 into 13 into 17 into 19, which is equal to 20,995. So if 20,995 means the length of the cloth should be 20,995 centimeter, so that it is exactly measured by all the three scales. So therefore, the length of the cloth should be equal to 20,995 centimeter. Find the number which when divided by 16, 20 and 40 leaves the same remainder 4. So we need to find the number which is divided by all these three numbers. So that means we need to first find out the LCM. And when we divide the given number, it gives the remainder 4. First, let us find the number which is divisible by 16, 20 and 40. So 16, 20, 40. 2 8s are 16, 10s are 20s are. 2 4s are 5s are 10s are. 2 2s are 5 5. Next 2 1s are 5 5 5 1s are 1s are. So we have 2 power 4 into 5, which is 80. So LCM of the given number is 80. So now 80 is the number, or the 80 is the least number which is divisible by all these three numbers. So the number leaves the remainder 4. Leaves the remainder 4. So that implies the number is 80 plus 4, which is equal to 84. So when you divide 84 by 16, it leaves the remainder 4. When you divide 84 by 20, it leaves the remainder 4. Again, when you divide 84 by 40, it leaves the remainder 4. So the LCM is 80, and when you add 4 to the given number, then you will get it as 84. So 84 is the number which divided by 16, 20 and 40 leaves the remainder 4. The next thing is we are going to find out the relation between the LCM and HCF of two numbers. Suppose if A and B are two numbers, then the product of their LCM and HCF is same as the product of A and B. And it is given by LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. If you want to find out the LCM, then divide A into B by HCF. If you want to find HCF, then divide A into B by LCF. So similarly, in the same way, if you want to find A, then divide by B. If you want to find B, then divide by A. Let's take an example. If the product of two numbers is 216 and their LCM is 36, find their HCF. So we know that LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. So the product of the two numbers is given as 216 and we need to find out HCF. Their LCM is given. So HCF is equal to the product of the numbers divided by the LCM, that is 36. So therefore, the HCF of these numbers is 6. In the similar way, we can find the LCM as well as the given numbers. If the LCM and HCF of the two numbers are given, we can also find the numbers as well. So in today's session, we have learned how to calculate the LCF under different conditions. In the next session, I'll meet you with the new concept. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, and keep exploring. Thank you.